Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make two different types of ice drops. So, let's do it. So the first one we're going to make is a fruit mix. The ingredients are condensed milk, peanuts, pineapples, cantaloupe, and you can add a mango if you like. So let's do it. First, we're going to cut the cantaloupe up into little cubes. Alright, now let's mix these. Alright, now the next one is what I like to call a chocolate delight. So the ingredients are chocolate syrup, hazelnut spread, condensed milk, and of course peanuts. For those who have allergies, don't use this and the peanuts. Let's get this started. You may want to add a little bit of water to dilute it a bit. Now let's put these into the popsicle container. Now, let's cover these. Well, thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!